Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and sound. So, today in our HCG2 class, we'll continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 5, Industries. So, let us study about cotton textile industry and its distribution in the world. Cotton is most important raw material used in the textile industry. Cotton is converted into cloth, and this cloth material is used to make dresses, curtains, t-shirts, and saris, and many other things which we use in our daily life. Let us look into the process that is involved in making of a cotton cloth. Cotton balls are plucked from cotton plants. They are cleaned and then supplied to the textile industry in large quantity. The cotton is then used to make cotton threads, and these threads, which are produced in the large quantity, are then fitted into the weaving machines. Weaving is the most basic process in which two different sets of threads are interlaced with each other to form a fabric or cloth. Modern sorry. Modern weaving machines make the cloth at very fast pace and reduces cost and time. Now let us talk about a variety of materials which are used for making cloth. Raw material of plant origin. It include fabrics made from plants like from cotton plant, jute plant, flax and hemp. Here flax is a plant with blue flowers and its stem is used for making thread, rope and cloth. Hemp is also a plant that is grown specifically for industrial use. It is fastest growing plant and you also used for making rope and cloths. Next is material of animal fiber. And this fiber usually come from fur or skin of animals. Like wool and silk we get from animals. Here wool we get from hair of sheep, goat, rabbits, camel, etc. And most common wool animal is sheep. Silk we get from silkworm. Next material of chemical origin, that is man-made fiber or synthetic fiber like rayon, nylon and polyester. Cotton cloth in India was made about 5000 years ago, and earlier cotton cloth was made from hand or on handlooms. Cloth was made on a wooden structure and everything was done manually, but later on, because of industrial revolution, these handlooms were replaced by power looms. They were replaced by machines. So nothing had to be done manually now. The cotton cloth or textile production was done by huge machines itself. With a single click of a button, meters and meters of cloth would be produced. Now let us discuss about its world distribution. In USA, the main centers of textile industry are Boston, Bradford and New York. In China, there are this Shanghai and Lenzhou. Great Britain is the birthplace of textile industry, and its main centers are Bolton, Preston, Blackburn, etc. Japan. In Japan, Osaka is known as Manchester of Japan. Japan is leading producer of textile industry but dependent upon the imported raw material from India, China, Egypt and USA. Japan exports a lot of material with the feature of high quality cloth and at low price. Now cotton textile in India. The textile mills are located in more than 80 towns in India, but most of them are in Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and Orissa. In India, Mumbai is very much famous for its cotton textile. That is why it is also known as Cottonopolis of India because of its large scale cotton textile production. Now, why Mumbai is very famous for cotton? That's because cotton grows very much ideally in Mumbai. Firstly, Mumbai has coastal location and that's why it has warm and humid climate which is very much suitable for the growth of cotton, and spinning of cotton yarn also becomes very easy because of this climate. Secondly, there is water available in large quantity around Mumbai. And lastly, Mumbai has huge amount of black soil or lava soil which is very much suitable for the growth of cotton. So this was all about cotton and its world distribution. Thank you.